So hey guys, hope you look good. I am Ashish and today we are going to see a full step-by-step tutorial on mandala drawing, especially for beginners. And a big reason for making this video is that I got surprising response on my recent video from your side, which made me feel more energetic and motivated. So before starting, ensure that you have subscribed my channel and press the bell icon to get notified when I post something new and be a part of this creative family. I have taken an ivory sheet of 29 into 20 cm. Now take midpoints of these two sides and join them like this. We draw margin lines in all four sides. I suggest you to leave at least 1 cm gap, and whenever you make artworks, perform this step. In last video I have made a full circle mandala, so this time I am going to make a semicircular mandala art. Now place the protector at the point we marked. I am marking points at intervals of 10 degrees. This will create 18 sections. Now drawing straight lines from center to the points we marked. This will help us in getting precision and accurate grids. Now with the help of a compass, draw semicircular concentric circles. Does semicircular concentric circles exist? I don't know, but you can see what I am doing. So while drawing semicircles, I don't measure the distance between two circles. For first semicircle, I am taking 2 cm radius, and after that it is just an assumption that this much gap is enough and suitable. So don't worry about gaps between circles, it may differ. Just focus on the cleanliness and accuracy. Just keep in mind that size of semicircle depends on the design you are going to draw. I have drawn 12 sections. And now erasing the extra lines. Last time I have drawn patterns layer by layer, but this time I am making it more easier and we will draw patterns section by section. So starting with first section, I am filling it with black color. Now leaving section 2 and moving on section 3. I am using 2 grid to draw a single shape because of smaller grid size. So now we will detail it. Use a pattern I am showing. It will be easy for you. I have used fine liner of 0.1 mm. Again, leaving section 4 and moving to section 5. Let me show you a closer look at what I am doing. I am filling alternate strips with dots. And now filling the empty strips using this pattern. Now leave section 6 and move to section 7. Just keep in mind that you have to keep the shapes intact. I am trying to keep all the patterns simple so that it is easy for all the beginners to follow, and you can also add other patterns which you like. Moving to section 8. Here I will suggest you to do it slowly, otherwise you will make a mistake somewhere else. Let your work take time and practice the shapes which I am using here. Moving to section 9. Well, if you are a beginner, then first you should draw the pattern with a pencil like this. And then use pen. This will reduce the chances of mistakes, and this will help you to get accurate pattern designs. Now I am filling empty spaces with black so that it creates a good contrast. Leaving section 10 empty and moving to section 11. I think this time you are going to feel it very easy because this time I am completing single section at a time.
But when there's no hope hiding, no chance concealing. saw me before I knew who I'd be. What I have around me means nothing to me if I can't share it with you. Walking through all the dust, memories and frame.
Moving to last section, that is 12th section. This will be the outermost part of our mandala. I am darkening the outer side so that this will make a good contrast and give it a bold look. I am using white pen. You can use whitener or white poster color or white paint if you don't have white pen available. This will make our pattern look more detailed. Now darken the margins with black pen. Make lines bolder. Now erase the grid lines which we have drawn in starting. I am using orange pencil color to fill it in the center of our mandala.